So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until you find Windows Defender Firewall. You want to double click on it. And then you want to make sure the service status is on running and that the startup type is on automatic. So if it lets you, you want to change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in netsh space adv firewall space reset and click on enter. And now you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter again. And now you want to run this scan. Now as the scan is running, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates and do all the updates the computer may have. Now once you complete this check for updates and the SFC scan now, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.